Toolbox tour, industrial maintenance mechanic. We got a fan, you get hot, knee pad, extension cord, 2-inch vise, which is always very, very handy. You know, mix and match some things in there. Rubbing alcohol here, degreaser. What's in here is hydraulic grease. Got scotch pads, some punch rods, miscellaneous sitting here. First one is where I put all my go-to action stuff. The tools that you use a lot of, I put in here. UV light, metric, standard, imperial. You get the drift. Some of the stuff shouldn't be in here, but it is. Here, and again, some other miscellaneous stuff, some crazy glue, some caps and dies, quick caps, magnifying glass, some brass to go on the device, magnifying glass, some more caps and dies. That's that door. Here's all my screwdrivers and pry bars. These shouldn't be in here, but they are. Brass screwdrivers, non-conductive. Then, of course, if you're getting old, pick the tools up off the ground. And here, we got the diamond files. What is this? Reamers. Laser level, punches. Normal files, diamond files, miscellaneous parts for when I'm fixing stuff, so I don't have to walk all the way back to the shop. Here, we got some wrenches, or the vice grips, pliers, wire cutters, levels. The reason why I put it in here is this is all where the wrenches go. Or not the wrenches, but the pliers and stuff. Everything with a handle I throw in there. It's not very organized because there's too many. I'm going to downgrade and get rid of some shortly. Well, these are tie wrap cutters, so you get a nice flush cut. Nice flush cut for your tie wraps. And here, what do we got here? This is oh yeah, the Mobile 28 grease. It's high-end synthetic grease. Like an aircraft carrier grease, aircraft grease. Very good grease. I use it. It's aviation grease. It's probably the best in business as far as I'm concerned. Dead blow hammer, brass hammer, ball peen hammer, die grinder with a 45-degree angle on it. I use this a lot. Some long files, a grease gun. What's this? Oh, T20 to T30 bit set. And in here is all my wrenches and sockets. And extension, crescent wrenches, which I use for hammers. I don't use crescent wrenches. Waste of tool. It's a good hammer though. Use the right size wrench, boys and girls, if you use a wrench. Oh, and a couple snacks. This is a miscellaneous drawer. What do I got in here? I should probably clean this up today. Some leather. Endioscope. Contact switch cleaner, so some sprays and stuff go down in here. This is where I throw a lot of the stuff that I don't use a lot. There's a demagnetizer, inscriber, can of Coke, sandpaper, T-handle wrenches, you know, miscellaneous stuff will go down there. Off-tight. Now the way I do is I put swivel wheels on both, so we can do it like this. Let's do it in a complete circle so that you get this thing in tight knit areas. So that would be my toolbox. I like to have everything on my toolbox. That way I don't have to come back to the shop. Remember? Oh, I did forget one drawer. That's where I put all my lockout tagouts and the keys for it, and my vernier as well. Or my lockout tagout drawer. I hope you enjoyed the video.